Okay, let us continue. After a successful install earlier, you will come out on this window that you're seeing now. So what you're viewing are the different frameworks that you can create in Visual Studio. So from starting from the top, you have the ASP.NET and web development, Azure development, Python, and as you scroll down, you could do mobile development, desktop, gaming, etc. So, depending on the purpose that you like to build, you will need to add this into your installation. So, let us choose ASP.NET, and let us also choose Unity for game development. Since C Sharp is a very powerful language, you will need to choose which one that you will predominantly using. Let's also add up this .NET desktop development. So you don't need to choose everything because it will install huge sizes of memory and space, as you can see on the lower right. As we tick and untick, it adds up to the space of the library. So now it's almost 7 GB, and this is quite a huge space for you. And if ever you, after your successful development, probably from web or desktop, etc., and you're asked to create a mobile app development, so you will need to reinstall the application, run the executable file again, and this window will come up, and you could just add up again whatever framework which is most suitable for your objective. Okay, so also on the lower left you have the location, and you can always change it. If you're supporting multiple drives, you can support or change where the packages is going to land. So that is out of scope of the topic on the reasons why you may want to install it on the another drive or secondary drive. So it's something to do about performance, but normally developers just do it or create it in the primary drive, which is now C drive. Okay. So right now this is the Visual Studio installer that we had. We can always modify it by clicking modify, and we will go back to the main window. Okay, so let's take the ASP.NET web development. Okay, and let's scroll down. Let's choose desktop, this one on the left. Since Visual Studio support multiple languages, as you can see, you could have C++ as well, and Python. Scroll down, game Unity, it's already there. Right, so let us make sure that we have the components that we will need. Seems fine now. And I would like to further discuss this .NET cross-platform development, where it allows you a single language like C Sharp can create or build cross-platforms in a single language like web, mobile, desktop application, REST API, etc. Okay, so these words may be really daunting to you, but I will explain further as we move along to the course, so you will understand the use cases where your skills can be used predominantly. So this is a hands-on course, so you will learn not only C Sharp, but be able to be enabled as a person who will understand the application and as an expert level. So we're looking forward to that. And let's now click modify, and now you can see on the middle that it will start to download the operation and start the installation again. Okay, so I'll stop the video and come back again once the download and install will finish.